Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick recording regarding my experiences with OEM Experts so far. Right in front of you is a small sampling of the products that I have purchased from them and that I've been selling successfully on Amazon.com. Now, I'm a brand new seller, a brand new entrepreneur, and I am so glad that I found OEM Experts. With them, you get a real person that you can always call and ask any questions that pop up in your mind. For example, my rep from OEM Experts is Bobby, and he's been my go-to guy to ask anything from, hey, what's the best way to price and sell this? Or, hey, I'm having a hard time selling or getting this listed on Amazon. Do you know what I need to do? So far, he's been able to help me get unlocked with different brands and has been there to provide me some coaching. When I first did some digging to verify OEM Experts validity, I was not able to find many reviews, so it made it a little difficult to decide if I should give them a shot or not. In the end, I took the plunge and I am glad I chose to give them a try. OEM Experts so far has been a one-stop shop to source product and get it sold. All the products I have received are real name brand products and they're in brand new condition. I haven't had to send anything back yet, but they do stand behind the products and they will let you return or exchange items that were either damaged in transit or you decided they just don't meet your expectations in any way. They truly stand behind their products, and I can't say enough good things about them so far. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope that you decide to give OEM Experts a try. Thank you.